Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name is Tucker, and I'm your host for this channel. I've got some pretty phenomenal news to tell you today for stocks for you guys, and it's kind of cool because I can feel pretty confident about saying what I'm saying because the person that that helps us out feels very certain about it. And so, and the facts have shown because I'm going to be presenting to you a video that's a day old. Okay. So check it out. All right. This is about GameStop and AMC. And what I'm going to be, the numbers I'm telling you is from yesterday, and then I'll tell you what happened today if you don't know already. So, remember how we had this big deal like a couple months ago about GameStop and AMC? And like, I guess the Bulls, I think they lost and we won. Or I don't know. I don't remember how it went, but I think we won. Now we're back at, or it was opposite. I don't know. But now we're back at in a uptrending swing. And so I'm so excited. I don't know what to talk about first, but I'm going to talk about AMC. AMC could possibly have the potential to go to $100. Not at like right now, but like in the near future. The price predictions I'm going to get into. So AMC at the time of the recording was $19.56. It went up $19. It went up 19.2%, which is $3.15. That kind of helps me understand things a little bit better. So it was before that. It was what? 19 minus 3, so 17 something. And then so as a tip in the middle of this video, if you're a shareholder of AMC or GameStop, this is just a video, and I have the authority to, say these are my thoughts. This is not my advice, but it's best to hold. And this is the words and the advice, not from me, but from the person that gives you this information on a daily basis. If you're in this already. AMC stock was tested twice recently. I wish I had the graph. I'm going to make a Patreon account and hopefully people can donate something so I can get a graph or Tuck Notes so you guys can see what the talking about. So if you don't know what it means, it was tested twice. All right, so the stock's going like this, right? Along the line. Imagine the line right here. And it's $15, right? This is the $15, and it's wiggling around. And first time it gets to $15, and then it goes up to like $17 or something, and then it goes back down, and then it stays quiet for a long time, and then again, like 2 days ago, it gets tested again, and it goes up, but this time it holds and it doesn't fall down. And that is the big clue indicator. Now I'm explaining it much better. Now this is a clue indicator that something could potentially be happening with this stock, and it could be not just going down again, but going up. And so we're at the moment. This was from yesterday, but we're at the moment of truth of what will happen, right? And so the short-term price target was we were going to see was 21 or 22 or $23. And by Friday, it'd be maybe 25. There's a lot at this time. So if you don't know, like, that's crazy for it to go from that to that, in such little time. There's a lot of options going on, and that's something that on this channel I do not condone at all. I do not at all. I do not. It's not good to do. It has to be done, but let the bad people do it. I'm not going to get into that. Just don't do it, please. So these options, though, check it out. These options were going on with these hedge funds, right? These, the people that we don't like, that are against us, right? But this is all part of the game and the strategy, right? It's two people against each other, right? I'm sorry, I keep saying right. I'm gonna stop saying that. And yesterday, AMC hedge funds got the shorts. They got hit with $673 million loss. Bam! They lost that much money on these option things that I say do not do. They couldn't do it. These are the big hedge funds. Now, I don't know. Are they pulling a bluff and maybe having extra more cash for another time? I don't know. That's me on a far-fetched thought. That's not my source. But yeah, it says, this is the article. Yesterday, AMC shorts get hit with a $673 million loss, expected to lose more when the stock breaks out. And so they're selling call options at $20 call options. And GameStop too is doing that at $324. And prices are very overinflated right now. Okay, if you don't know this, these aren't the normal prices of what these stocks are. I don't know if you remember, but Discovery went through this with Kathy Woods, one of her stocks. It got completely, I was at $30 and it was going up, but at the Discovery level, and then it suddenly went to $70 and then went back down. I had never seen anything. It was, wow. So anyways, back to this one. It's super important that it's the $20 mark, that if it stays at $20 or goes above it, that's a great sign. And so for yesterday at GameStop was $242, and there's a lot of people betting on GameStop going up higher. And there's a lot of people for the short term and for the long term future. Its last all-time high was $483, and it's at $242. It's almost like 50% off if you were to buy a share. Now, I do condone buying a share of AMC or GameStop if it's the right time. And I just watched the thing on the person I used to like and I don't like anymore. His name's Jim Cramer, but he did make some sense in what he was saying on his show. I know there's some people that watch the show, so now AMC was up 55% last week. That's another fact. Now here's the real fact. Right now, AMC is $26.51, and GameStop is $253. So AMC's gone up so significantly. And what's going to happen? Is it going to run up really fast right now, or is it going to get pushed back down? And GameStop, but the trend right now is going up, and there's a lot of people and a high conviction that this is what's going to happen. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see Tucker buying one share of AMC at $26 if I'm lucky tomorrow, and seeing what happens over the weekend. You never know. And you put in what you can lose. All right, that's the thing when you're doing this. And it's what I've learned over this last correction, if you're still watching this video, is having your money staying liquid on the side instead of it just being invested already is a so much safer move than just doing it and you're kind of off of emotion or something like that, or of just what you're thinking of knowledge. But there's days where you can wait like 2 or 3 days and you don't know that it could go down more to buy it at a cheaper price. I'm not talking about this stock, but I'm talking about stocks in general right now. So anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. Push the like button if you like it. And I will talk to you guys later. I'm on YouTube at Tuck Notes and on Instagram at Tucker MLO. And check out my blog. My voice is about to die. At Tuck's blog. And if you want some pre-stock, check on the links below. And if you don't understand stocks in Spanish, there's a link below to a person who speaks complete Spanish and teaches all stocks in Spanish, for specifically for people that are only speak Spanish, and teaches them how to make money. It's beautiful. So if I know of more links to other languages, I will put them on there or come across them. Have a good night. Peace.